This one is a Braun Balance digital 220 gram with 1 milligram accuracy. There is a adapter 6 volt provided with this, and there are what levels 2 on the this side, 2 on the other side. First you have to open this and put the pan. There is a pan inside here already fitted. Top can be opened, both the sides can be opened, left and right. And when you switch on, just press it. The backlit. This is 200 gram display, and then automatically it will become 0. You can see this is a gram. You can change the unit carat and ounce, and then 6.5. So there are 4 options. One is battery charging is going on. When you have to use it, change the level from all the 4 sides, and this should be in the center. Now let us see. This is for calibration. If you enter for calibration, you put on the cal mode and put the weight outside and see the press after the properly calibrated. Counting mode is there. There are different modes. When you start, it becomes and very easy. Open from top or on the sides, and very easy. A Braun Balance is there, 1 milligram. Abron01@gmail.com.